there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm sharing a card that I created using one of the stencils from Altenew. This card was created for my stencil focus blog post, which is on the Mixed Media Scrapbook blog. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my background, and I'm creating a background for a birthday card. So I wanted the sprinkles to go all over the place and to have lots of nice and bright colors. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing my stencil in different directions so the sprinkles are separate, but sometimes they slightly overlap, just to get a nice full look, as if I would have sprinkled real sprinkles all over the background. The second step is to draw a cupcake. Now I just looked up the word cute cupcake on the internet, found a picture that I like, and I copied that onto some smooth white cardstock. Then I pulled out lots of fun colors from the artist markers from Altenew, and then I started coloring in the cupcake. I wasn't really happy how the icing turned out. I did try to tone it down a little bit, but in the end I still really liked how it looked. Now a bit later on you will see me bump into the camera and the whole there we go. Now my screen is all wonky. I only noticed this once I was doing this voiceover, so I'm really sorry about that. So I'm going to continue coloring in the icing, and then I'm going to start working on the cupcake lining, and I'm going to make this really fun and colorful. Once that's done, I'll add a couple of colors to the sprinkles, color in the eyes and the candle. Then all I'll have to do is cut it out by hand and then pop it onto my card. For my sentiment, I will be using a sentiment from the Label Love stamp set. This stamp set comes in various languages, and I'll be using the French edition. So I'll be using the sentiment saying Joyeux anniversaire. So there you have it for this cute little card. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any comments or any questions, just pop them in the comment section. And for more information on all the products used, you can visit the Altenew Mixed Media blog. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay safe and happy scrapping. And I'm really sorry for the wonky screen. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.